Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY. We're here, and all of a sudden it's like, oh shit, this is... And see, you want to drop in on that. It's like, what's my energy telling me?
Yeah.
And in my mind, when I'm feeding you, if I'm leading, when we're here, in my mind, I'm thinking back right now. I'm thinking almost like, this guy's really good, so I'm like this right now in my mind.
Right.
I'm ready to like give space.
Gauging distance, kind of.
So when we're here, I want that energy out there.
Where I feel it.
You feel it. 'Cause that makes you want to start creeping forward.
Yeah.
If I'm submissive, you're naturally going,
I'm bad for that.
baby.
That's what I feel the time I was like,
But then if all of a sudden I'm here, and now I go here. Well, you want to adjust.
Keep the
And if I
range or back off.
gotta slow down, and I'll make a point of hitting harder. Like, I'm not hitting harder, but I'm trying to show you if I'm bigger and stronger, and then you back up a bit. And then, yeah. Being strong, overbearing, and then back out into submission. Now I'm like,
That feeder,
and then also my stuff. Adjust a bit. Yeah, get back so that I can't hit that leg. Stay out of my range, then you don't have to do that.
Right.
Right? Don't hit my leg. Nowhere near. But here, you should, yeah, there you go.
So that's what I could feel that.
And it's now, that's where we play a lot with presentation. So we'll be moving around and sparring stuff. And we're just always like doing stuff to just be like, how we move this, right? So all of that stuff of like, all of this like presentation, that's all this crazy stuff. Your brain is seeing things that you typically probably won't see.
Right.
So your brain is being flooded with something that's bizarre, out of the norm. For me, what's my lead? What's my dominant hand? People go, I don't fucking have a clue. You're right, you're left, you're sideways, you're walking, you're standing, you're on the ground, you're standing up. So it's like now, you can't even really calculate accurately what might happen because I'm not here.
Behind this, yeah.
I'm not kickboxing with a stick. If I wanted to kickbox, put the stick down. Sticks are meant for this mass attack. It's three people, you know, you're moving, you got this whole, you got environment.
Yeah.
It's like, as you're moving, you're having fun. Yeah, you're having fun. Yeah, this is what, that's what's happening. That's what's happening.
Right.
Constantly just, so my body cannot move like this.
Forced to.
Forced to move with no set structure.
Is it